Hey YouTube, we're back with another. It's been a while, guys. Sorry, but we just moved out to Long Island, so now we're gonna start making more videos. Massapequa Park, baby. Say hi to Leo.
Hi, Leo.
Well, you're Leo. All right, what do you want to show us today? Which toy?
This toy.
Cool. What is this? Cyborg's vehicle?
Cyborg
Imagine
Transformer.
X. Okay, show it to us.
You want to know what it can do?
Yeah, show me, baby.
Okay.
What are you doing, Leo? You have to talk. Tell us what you're doing.
I'm trying to put that in there.
Okay.
And then
You have to talk and tell us everything that you know.
You want to know what this does? You don't have to spin it. You have to press it. And then it transforms it. If you want to make it shoot, you just press these red buttons. If you want more ammo, it's right here. And then you want to see that blast?
Yeah.
Okay.
Whoa, that was far. So what else we got here? Let me give you guys a good close-up of this thing. This thing's pretty awesome.
Yeah.
Really easy. Comes assembled. We got Booyahhh Cyborg in there.
Booyah, 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 booyah. And then if you want to transform back, you just see this. You gotta do a little dash right there. Like that.
Show us. All right.
And then it's back to a car. And then if you want to take them out, you can take them out. And then if you want to talk, you can make him talk because he doesn't really talk.
So let me see. How would you do it?
Booyah.
All right. Is that all? We'll end it. We'll keep this one short, okay?
Okay.
Say bye, YouTube.
Bye, YouTube.
See you next time.
Blah, 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 blah.